Good morning, Bat community. Justin here from the Avant-Garde Collection, spending a few moments on our last day with our 2001 Mercedes SL600. Guys, this is a 16,000 mile cream puff, and it's evident every place you look on the car. It's quite the time capsule. I've been playing with these cars since they were out, and it's been many moons since I've seen one this nice. Just a gorgeous car, all the right options. I'm gonna take this car outside in a moment. We've got a little mist today, but I do want you to see the paint in natural light conditions. These are real harsh, they're just tube lights. We use it for detail, so it shows everything. So it is good for that, but the beauty of this car, I think, is in natural light conditions when this color really comes to life. So I'll do that. I'll also perform a cold start in a moment here. And then in another moment, I will do a top operation video. I know the tops can be weird in these cars. I've had a few that have given me fits. This one works perfectly, and I do want to show that off. So I'll do that as well. But yeah, guys, just as pretty on the inside too. These seats have not been, colored. This is all supple and soft and original and just beautiful. Look at the wood wheel. There's no cracks in the finish on the wheel. Dashboard is perfect. Just a gorgeous car. Look at this carpet back here. Stunning. I love how they thought of everything. All right, so let's start this. No smoke. This car does not drip oil or fluids of any kind. Let's see if I remember. I think it's right in the star. Yep. Look at that. Holy cow. And just as clean in all the nooks and crannies, every little area is just as perfect as the last. So I will get it outside for you guys, take a few more pictures, and then we'll do the top operation. Thanks again. All right, guys, a little outside video for you. Very classic color for a very classic car. No curb rash in any of the wheels, guys. No chips in the windshield. No haze on the front lights. $16,000 miles, guys, and it does show. All right, I will get this inside now, and we'll do a top operation video. See you in a few.